Hi mga kadummy! This is Christine and welcome back to Cooking for Dummies. For today's video, I am going to share with you how I create my very yummy and very cheap hash browns, okay? The reason why I'm doing this is because earlier I wanted to eat hash browns, but because of, alam mo yun, super init and it's not yet safe, diba? Going outside. Kasi nga, we're still in a pandemic. In our country, we're still in a lockdown. So, napag-isip-isip ko, why not make it at home? Okay, so I've seen a lot of YouTube contents on how to make hash browns. And this is going to be my first time doing this. So, I'm very excited and there's a little kaba in me, but that's fine. Just a little bit to get everything started, okay? So let's do it, okay? So please watch this video from start until the end so that you can easily follow this at home, okay? We will be needing giant potatoes. So I have 2 potatoes here. Just a tip, if you want to go to the market and buy your potatoes, please choose those that are colored yellow or mustard, okay? Avoid those that have green patches kasi nga it's poisonous, okay? We'll be needing our canola oil, okay? This is not sponsored, but Golden Fiesta, baka naman. Okay, so we have our salt. We'll be needing pepper also. Pepper. And garlic powder, okay? We still have 2 ingredients more. I have butter, okay? Because everything is better with butter. And our binder, instead of using egg, I'll be using cornstarch, okay? You guys, kita niyo yung sweat ko, dripping. Oh my god. Super init. And tingnan niyo yung ginawa ko. Super daming grated potatoes. Hirap pala, no? So we're done grating our potatoes, 2 giant potatoes. If you can see here, you might notice that there are a lot of watery stuff and bubbles. That's normal, okay? Don't be scared. All we have to do is we need to submerge it in the water so we remove the starch. Starch lang po yan, okay? So we submerge it for about 5 to 7 minutes and then we drain the water and again, submerge mo ulit hanggang sa from murky quality of water, magiging clear na yung water natin. Okay? So, that's the only way for us to remove the starch. We don't need it. Okay? Let's do it. Guys, believe it or not, I have rinsed our grated potatoes for 15 times just to make sure that we remove the milky color. That's the starch. We don't need it because we want our hash brown to be crunchy, okay? A little bit crunchy, okay? So by removing the starch, we can achieve that. Now, I'm going to transfer only the potatoes so that we can start frying it, okay? So I have here salaan. Okay, I used this earlier. So what I'll do is that I'll get a nice scoop of sigma 3 of these potatoes and then I squeeze it to remove all the water. Okay, that's done. And transfer it here into the other plate. Then I'll do it again for the rest. Okay, squeeze it. Squeeze it. Okay. There. That's enough. Okay. Basically, you repeat what you're doing until everything is gone from the pink bowl. Okay. So there. Okay. Squeeze, squeeze. I think this is the last batch. Okay, and then you throw this away, the water. And then we are only left with a plate full of grated potatoes. Okay, so yun, we are going to fry this. So now that we are done with our hash brown, this is the moment of truth, okay? We will know if kakabahan na ba talaga ang McDo and Shakey's. Again, this is my first time, okay? That's just a joke, okay? First time ko lang naman to, and this is just a product of all the contents that I've seen online. So, tingnan natin. I'm hoping na masarap siya, and kahit kaunting pantay man lang sa mga nabibili natin from fast food, okay? So, I'm going to show you my plate of hash browns. Here they are. Is it focused? Yeah, there. The color is pretty. The smell. It smells really good. I can smell the garlic and the pepper. Now the texture. Ito, tignan nyo. Focus this. Can you see that? So good. Wait, hindi pa pala ako nag-share kung ano yung taste. The taste, I'm surprised na soft yung gitna niya. Kasi the first time that I took a bite, yung sa side niya, medyo crispy and a little bit tough. Nadamihan ko yata ng cornstarch. Yeah. See that? Crispy. Buti na lang, enough na yung pagkaluto. Kundi, hindi siya masaya kainin. Our taste, again, the taste, you guys, is the perfect combination of all the ingredients that we've used, okay? So, for the spices in this recipe, we've used a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Okay, lots of garlic powder. Yeah, the reason I'm using a lot of garlic powder, kasi nga, this is what I noticed whenever people around me would make chicharia, homemade chicharia. Instead of using generous amount of salt, the substitute is garlic powder. Yeah. So yun. And I'd like also to put emphasis on using just a little bit or enough salt. Yung salt kasi, it enables all types of ingredient to release its natural and maximum taste, okay? So if nagluluto ka ng baboy, you need to put a little bit of salt para lumabas yung totoo niyang tawag na to, juice, okay? Same with manok, everything. Even when you're doing dessert, yung mango float or ice cream, okay? Lagyan mo lang siya ng kaunting salt para lumabas yung maximum taste niya. Okay, that's a tip for all of you na hindi pa niyo alam yan. Okay, so yeah, the amoy is good, the looks is good, the texture, I think, to be honest, the texture is not that perfect. I'd rate myself 7 out of 10 kasi nga, dapat pala kaunti lang yung cornstarch. Yeah, ang nangyayari is dito, pag nasobrahan mo ng cornstarch, yung gilid niya, nagiging matigas. Okay? Yung sa akin, nagiging matigas yung gilid. Good thing na hindi ko siya na-overcooked. Kasi kung na-overcook ko siya, this center here, ganun din siya. And it's not fun to eat hard stuff, okay? So, I think that's it. This is a short video. I hope you've learned a lot from my first time of cooking hash browns. So, yeah, I think I need a lot of more practice and then, yeah, let's see. So, yun. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you will watch this video from start until it ends. Leave a comment, okay? Especially now that this is my first time, it's not that perfect. Okay, so if you have suggestions, please leave a comment. Or if you've done your own version at home and then you find that it's better than my version, please share naman your secrets. That's it for now. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell for more uploads, and see you on the next vlog. Bye!